I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 49 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and I'm doing Jimmy crafting. I usually don't craft at night, but I've been having my bath. I got everything ready to go, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and film. I'm comfortable. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, our prompts for this week is we have got dancing. So I've got this lady dancing. It's from my antiquarium sticker book. Anything summer. I've got this popsicle. It's from one of my cut and collage books I use all the time. Either side of a playing card. I'm using this altered playing card, so I'm going to use this side. It's got the 8 of clubs showing. I love this. And 3 of something. And I got this clip art. Let me look up. I meant to look it up before I started to tell you who did it. So hold on just a second. Okay, it comes from Art Bit Studio Designs on Etsy. And this is Quirky Dog Clip Art Bundle. And they are the cutest things. I've also gotten a cat one, a crow one, and let's see. It was Quirky Dogs, Funny Crow Clip Art, Whimsical Animals Clip Art Bundle, 80 Funny Cat Clip Arts, and Christmas Tree Clip Art. And I thought they were so cute. I love those expressions, and all of them are adorable. They are so fun. But this is my 3 of something. And we need an eating or cooking utensil. So I've got this rolling pin. And the bonus is a short word. And I've got a short word, or it's really 2 short words. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's see how we're going to lay this out. I want them to take center stage. I love them. So it's basically just getting everything on here. And I know a lot of my images are big, but I find that I like the way the bigger images fill up the space where it just kind of all goes over each other. I don't know, that's what I like. It doesn't always work, but I just find it fills a page better. And let's see how I want to do this. I don't have a clue. Maybe swap this around, I don't mind if that hangs off a little bit. And then we can have the popsicle stick and her dancing in front of it. These little doggies not knowing what in the world's going on. And then we can have the clothespin. Kind of put her around that. Oh, that's cute. I like that. So let's get this down. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you're enjoying this festive season. My oldest son took his girlfriend to the next town. They're having a waffle fest. A wassail fest. Not a waffle, but a wassail. Sounds like a lot of fun to me. I grew up in Columbus and I never did do anything like that. Did go to Christmas parade. I was in the Christmas parade because I was in the band. I played trumpet. Okay. Now this. I've got lots of altered playing cards from doing the full deck challenge. 1, 2, 3. So it's nice to use them. I use them in my journals, but there's nothing wrong with using them here too. Let's see here. I liked the way she was going around that. First, it seemed odd this time of year having anything summer, but when you think about it, a lot of us don't live, are having summer right now. I know my Australian friends are having summer now. So I guess it makes perfect sense. Don't we think that the world revolves around us sometimes? Now we've got little dogs. I love it. Now, I want to pull this together somehow, but I'm not sure how. Oh, and I got a Sweet Life. Put that down there. And now, let's see here. Definitely want to go around my dogs. I just think they're adorable. I love cute stuff like this, especially dogs. Dogs, cats, they have such personalities. I know mine always have. They're so funny. My husband always jokes and says we corrupt our animals because we always get the goofy. We always got the goofy dogs and stuff. But they sure were a lot of fun. We've had some very intelligent ones. We don't have a dog right now where we live. We've got 3 cats. They're destructive enough right now. I do love them though. How cute. And I may just have to do splatters and that kind of bring it all together. Sometimes just something like that. Or I may add some butterflies. Because that's summery. And I may do that. Yeah, I like that. And I think I'll do her as well. I don't know if Margarete is going to be doing this challenge next year. I hope she does. I really enjoy it. I know a lot of my friends have gotten tired of it and just let it go, but I like it. It just the one time I know I'm gonna get my little artistic flow going. And I love images, so I've always got lots of images. It's just a matter of finding them. All right. So let me find some butterflies, and I'll be right back. All right, I found some. I do want to come back through and just kind of distinguish that a little bit. All right, now let's see. I just got 3 little small ones. And I think that just completes it. Or at least it will when I get my splatters done. There's just something about just those 3 little butterflies just keeps to bring it together. A lot of odd things. Put it on his nose. All right. And now I just do my splatters. And there we go. So we have got our dancing, anything summer, that and the butterflies, either side of a playing card. I've got my altered playing card, 3 of something, got these 3 dogs, an eating or cooking utensil, I've got the rolling pin, and the bones is short word, and I've got 2 short words, sweet life. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP49 to see what everyone has done. I love you. Have a wonderful week. Until next time, bye.